The overall goal of this method is to improve the efficiency and sensitivity of a separation through the optimization of a curtain flow column.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of environmental sciences, forensics, and in areas that require tracer sample analysis, where an efficient and highly sensitive separation technique is required.
The main advantage of this technique is that it increases the efficiency of the separation and the sensitivity of the analysis compared to conventional methods of HPLC separation.
This method can provide a means to increase the separation power and thus peak capacity in an economically and time-efficient way.
The curtain flow column is a new concept to practitioners of HPLC. However, its use is not complicated. It simply requires the optimization of appropriate flow ratios.
First, prepare bottles of 100% ultra-pure water and 100% methanol for mobile phases A and B of the HPLC instrument. Purge the pumps as per manufacturer requirement. After purging, disconnect the pump line from the injector valve of the autosampler. Attach a T-piece to the disconnected line. To each port of the T-piece, attach tubing of 0.13 mm internal diameter and 15 cm long. Connect one tube from the T-piece to the injector valve of the autosampler. Finally, set the pump to a flow rate of 1 ml per minute.